Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for today, which is that of Monday, the 29th day of January 2018. Like always, everything is within your own risk, own reward. Starting off with the Bitcoin price. For the last couple of weeks, it's been mainly going sideways, and this 10,000 to between 12,000 and 12,700 as its range. It's got to make a move above this 18 average of highs. If you see it hold and staying above, then you can look for this thing to most likely have a good bullish setup, thus higher gains forthcoming afterwards. And even price action just getting up to 14,000 will be basically an alert that this thing is ready to head in its direction higher. 10,000 has been monstrous support over the last few weeks, that if this level does give in, that would be the indicator for probably a decent red candle size down move down to the last key level, which is between 7,500 and 8,000. Switching on to the alternate coins, the daily time frame for Polo, which had a very beautiful rally in December. And after the last move up to the 70,000 or so area, or for the last week and change, it has held this level of support, not really selling off, sellers not coming in, market correcting through time. And a nice little update today, and it looks as if this thing might be ready to get going. And as we know with a lot of these alternate coins, when they go, they can really go. Let's take a look next at voxels. It's having its fourth up day in a row at 33.50, and this is something that I was taking a look at earlier, figuring that with this volume in coming into play, that this thing might be ready to break this resistance and maybe test some higher areas closer to and maybe above the 10,000 Satoshi. It always the keyword is maybe. UBQ on the daily time frame. Yesterday in its session, it broke above a key level of resistance, and recently it's been making this nice move well above the 18 average of lows. Today's small sell-off has brought it back to the current area in which it came from on the recent term. And on the 3-day time frame, I think getting out above this area which it's been in, that it could make a test up to maybe this previous high or even this previous high as a possible resistance level. And finally, one quick look at the short-term chart, which is BitBay on the 400-minute time frame. After the decline down in here, the market has been going sideways, has managed to have this level of resistance, and it looks as if it's ready to possibly take a break above it. And if it does so, I wouldn't be surprised on the short term if it makes a move up to around even that 2,000 mark, and there's some decent profitability for a play of that magnitude. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.